Good morning, children. Today I am going to start a new lesson. The name of lesson is A Bell for the Cat. Children, you can see in this picture a bell is tied around the neck of the cat, and this lesson is all about this. Children, now I am going to ask a questions. Okay? Have you ever seen animals talking in your life? Have you ever seen animals talking like us or human beings? No, right? No. They can't talk, animals. They don't have ability to talk, but a story writer, he can make animals to speak only in imagination, not in reality. A storyteller, he can make the characters speak like human beings. So, characters like a rabbit, tortoise, and or any other animal, he can make them to talk in his stories. So, such story in which animals can talk, such stories have a special name called fable. Okay? Fable is a singular, fables is a plural. Even in Indian context, we have seen such fables. Have you heard about Panchatantra stories, children? Yes, in Panchatantra stories, animals are used as characters and they are made to speak like human beings. Okay, children, this person he was such a storyteller who lived in Greece. Greece is a nation just like India, but it is an European continent. He was a storyteller who lived 2600 years ago. He had written a lot of fables, and this lesson, A Bell for the Cat, is taken from his collection of fables. So, the credit goes to Mr. Aesop. Okay? What story comes to your mind when you, children, what story comes to your mind when you see at this picture? See, children, can you see the picture there along the side of the textbook? Okay? Along the side of text. There is a picture. By looking at this, what idea do you get, children? What does it remind you? It reminds you about a popular story, right? Can you see a rabbit here, children? And tortoise also, and a finishing line also. Here, this is a popular story of a tortoise and rabbit. Okay, a tortoise and rabbit engaging in a race. In the race, the chances of rabbit winning is really high because the rabbit can hop very fast compared to tortoise. Tortoise can move very slowly. It cannot move fast. So anybody can tell easily that the rabbit is going to win. But actually in the story, tortoise wins because of negligence of rabbit, which decided to take a rest for a while in between the race, so the finishing line much before the rabbit, and even he became the winner. So this is a story which conversation happened between the rabbit and tortoise. So this is an example of fable. Okay, this is an example of fable. Thank you.